watching another video by Newton Abbey's 28. Did you notice the time card at the very start of this clip? Well, in these next clips, it's gonna be slightly early. It's gonna be earlier because I just remembered to do the intro at the very end of this video. Sad times. So we start off. Well, we're just gonna be here the whole time actually, doing our usual bi-weekly thing. You know, nothing too interesting. And here come the clips. Time now is 14:35 on Monday the 15th of January 2024. This will be for your 1447 expected 48 Northern Ireland Railway service to Derry Londonderry. It's about to leave. Time now is 15:10 on Monday the 15th of January 2024. This will be for your 1514 Northern Ireland Railway service to Great Victoria Street. I'm going to be smart and logical on this one. I'll stand at this side so I can see the train coming in. That way I don't have to wait ages for cars to go that way, so that I wait a long time to cross and potentially miss the thing that the train departing. Because that has happened in the past. Back in 2021. I don't often stand on this side. I usually film from beside that fence, which definitely needs some repairing. The looks of things, it's been here for a good number of years now, and it definitely needs some sort of maintenance work done on it, because the fence has been falling apart. It's been standing on its last legs for a good number of years, ever since I started coming here regularly. But for some reason, I didn't record, and I didn't really record much in first year. I only started frequently filming here when I was in second year. There it is, 4,000. And it's 4020. And that's the end of this video. We've reached the end point of this video. I will see you in another video. Don't know when it'll be. Hopefully this weekend, because I do plan to come back. I do plan to come here a weekend with a special guest. I'm not going to tell you who it is. And yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye, everyone.